Hey Lonnie, how's it going? This is Jesus Gutierrez. We spoke briefly earlier about increasing your online traffic and being able to land you some more clients for your for Luminosity headquarters, right? Getting some more clients in your fitness studio. So briefly, I'm just going to go over some things, and you're probably wondering why I'd even make a video like this for you. And to be honest, there's a lot of business owners that don't completely understand how the internet can bring them more clients and more traffic, and then thus bring in more revenue, right? And growing that business to where it needs to be. So uh, very quickly, I'm just going to go over a few things. The first thing I'm going to go over is content. The second thing is backlinks. And then lastly, citations. Okay. If you don't know what those are, there's no problem. I'm going to just cover those here. Okay. And explain to you exactly what those mean. So as I'm here on your website, I got to be honest with you. This is an amazing website. I really like it. Whoever built it for you really took the time and paid attention to detail. And the overall feel is pretty fierce, and I like it. I like it. These results are amazing from your clients, and I'm gonna be. I mean, I want to be one of your students. Like, this is pretty awesome. But unfortunately, Google doesn't care how beautiful the website is. All they care about is content, okay? And a typical website has anywhere between 15 to 2,000 words on the landing page, which is the home page of the website. And Google is looking for keywords, right, that are associated with your website. So if your website has to do with fitness, well, then it needs to see fitness and a location-based keyword. So fitness program Farmington, you got personal trainer Farmington, personal fitness trainer Farmington, New Mexico, things like that. So Google is looking for keywords that are associated with your website, and they want to see it a ton. So that's how we're able to build up your content. Okay. So secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. Okay. So I have this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see kind of behind the websites. It helps me see your numbers, how many people are visiting your website per month. And obviously I am in the industry, so I am paying for this tool, but there are a ton of tools like this that are free that you can search for yourself. Just look like for backlink checker, free keyword researcher, just things like that. You can Google and you can find all this stuff on your own. So according to my tool here, it shows that you have 0 backlinks, or it has no data for your backlinks. That could just mean that your website is brand new, so it doesn't have enough data to actually see that. Okay, it does show that you have 0 keywords and 0 people. And this is just a rough estimate. Okay, so it could be a little more obviously than 0. But it's showing that you have 0 people visiting your website per month. Now, obviously, that's a problem for a business in your specific niche, right? You were saying that you have probably about 3 clients at the moment, and you're looking to kind of have a constant flow of clients. And the way we do that is by getting your website ranked on Google. Okay, Google is king, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Okay, so just Googling real quick, personal trainers, Farmington, New Mexico. I noticed that these top 3 businesses here are all gyms. So personal trainers in Farmington is untouched. Like, could you imagine how many people are actually searching for personal trainers and only finding gyms? Like, all these leads, all these people, these clients that need your help, especially if you're helping them with more than just fitness, right? Helping them with their anxiety and their depression and the spiritual side of things, right? As I know you're a man of God. So you'd be helping these people not only achieve their fitness goals, but you'd also be helping them achieve liberation from depression and anxiety, stopping those medications. So there's a ton of people searching for that stuff. I mean, and as I said, it's virtually untouched. I mean, even if we go down here to the organic section, you see that it's also a gym that's here at the top spot. So lastly, I'm going to talk to you about citations. Okay, we went over backlinks. You have 0 backlinks in the tool here. Again, I guess I didn't explain what backlinks were, but backlinks are essentially, or I should say referring domains here, are essentially websites that push traffic to your website, right? And backlinks are the number of times the websites push traffic to your website. Okay, so obviously Google knows that you are not a restaurant. So if your referring domains are restaurants and like, I don't know, other businesses that don't pertain to fitness, it's not going to give you as much power as if you had like a fitness blog or a fitness forum, things like that. So that was pushing traffic towards your website. So as I was speaking about citations, this is how you get in this box here, and this is where all the traffic goes, okay? I don't know if you're like me, but if I'm in a town and I'm needing something fixed on my car, or I'm needing something, I don't know, if I'm needing anything, right? And I type it into Google and then I follow it up with the city name, I usually just go to the first one here in this box, right? So this is where all the traffic is. This is where all the money is. This is where people are going. People are rarely going to this second page of Google, right? There's a joke that says that you could, the best place to hide a dead body would be on the second page of Google because nobody clicks there, right? So as I was saying before, you would want to be up on here, and the way you end up in this box here is by having more citations than your competitors. Your competitors right now are gyms. So say if these guys have 100 citations, and citations are essentially just any place that you could find your business name, website, phone number, and address on a directory. And a directory is yellow pages, white pages. You've got Yelp, Home Advisor, even Facebook nowadays is considered a directory. So as long as your business name, phone number, address, and website are all found in more directories than your competitors, then you'd have more citations. Okay. So if your competitors have 100 citations, I'd want to one-up them and go do 100 more citations than they have. Okay. So the three things again that we went over are content, ensuring that you have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and having relevant keywords. As I was saying, personal trainers Farmington, personal trainer Farmington, personal fitness trainer Farmington, New Mexico, has to be relevant to your location and your niche. Okay. And then secondly, backlinks, ensuring that you have quality backlinks, making sure that your referring domains are pushing traffic to you from fitness forums and fitness blogs, fitness websites, places like that, right? And then lastly, citations, making sure that your business can be found in a ton of directories. This is how you get up here, and this is how we beat your competitors, and this is how you get a constant flow of clients, okay? Every little bit of information is found on our phones these days, okay? It's at the tip of our fingers. Like, you literally can Google anything and you can find what you're looking for. So with that being said, you're probably wondering where you go from here, right? So you can obviously do these three things yourself. It does take time. It does take a little bit of elbow grease and some effort, but it could definitely be done. Or if you're like me, and or I should say, if you're like a ton of the other business people that I've helped, you're probably a little short on time because you're so busy running your business. You can obviously reach out to me, and I can see what I can do to help you. Okay. So if this is something that you'd like to move forward with, just go ahead and email me back, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day, Lonnie.